Hey fam, welcome back to my channel again. But if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below. And of course, huwag mo na rin kalimutan na i-click yung tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload the video here on this channel. So today guys, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng short update regarding the skincare that I'm using right now. This is a product guys that was sent to me by a company, and eto guys, this is the EOS Acne pH Balance Cleanser and EOS Acne Advanced Serum. Ito sila guys. So, tandem sila. It comes in these two products. So, kailangan morning and evening gamit yung cleanser together with the serum. Morning and evening din. So, ito guys, ang sinabi sa akin ng PR manager nila or yung nag-send sa akin. And binasa ko din yung mga claims, mga ganyan. Ang claim kasi nila is, yung mga acne spots, ayan, i-clear nila yung skin mo ng acne, and then after clearing your skin, magkakaroon ng clearing of the acne spots and of course the acne scars, ganyan. Yun yung gagawin ng product guys. But mind you, meron silang heads up na binigay sa akin kasi in the first month of using this product daw magkakaroon ng purging. What do we mean when we say purging? Yung purging po kasi is the thing that happens to our skin when a new product is introduced to our skin, and then ang mangyayari, lilinisan kasi ng product guys yung ating skin, and then ilalabas niya lahat ng dumi or ng toxins. So yun, first month daw mangyayari yung pagkakaroon ng purging. I'm a little bit nervous kasi nagkaroon na rin ng purging yung isang kawork ko regarding sa isang product na ginamit niya na may serum din. So, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi yung sa kanya, yung purging talaga niya guys, purging talaga, no joke na purging. Sobrang dami nang nangyari, lalo na dito niya tsaka dito sa forehead niya. So, yun guys, medyo kinakabahan ako. And then, pupunta naman tayo guys sa true skin ko for this time kasi ginamit ko na siya ng 1 week. So let us now go to the clip that I will be showing to you guys my updated skin. Hey guys, so this is now my skin after a week of using the EOS Acne pH Balance Cleanser tsaka Acne Advanced Serum. Ito yung mga boxes nila. Ito yung kanilang lagayan. So guys, binigyan nila ako ng 4 na ganito, and I already started using it for about a week now. 1 week to be exact ngayong araw na ito. And papakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga before photos ko para makita nyo kung ano yung difference niya. So in my before photo, may malaki akong acne dyan, and nangyari. And yung sinabi kasi sa akin guys is for a month, for the first month daw magkakaroon ng purging yung skin ko. So ibig sabihin doon, lilinisan ng products yung aking skin, and then ilalabas niya lahat ng toxins or lahat ng dumi. So ang result nun is magkakaroon ako ng more pimples. That's kinda scary when I first thought about that kasi oh my gosh. Kasi magkaroon ng purging din yung kawork ko regarding din sa isang product na trinay niya, and it didn't go well, so medyo natakot ako. Pero sa nangyari naman sa skin ko guys is nawala naman, nag-dry naman yung mga pimples ko. May mga tumubo lang na parang konti lang naman, hindi yung purging na ine-expect ko na mangyayari. So nagkaroon ako ng maliit dito, and then dito, and then dito guys, more on dito talaga sa baba ko dito. Eto, ayan, super active pa talaga siya. At saka saan pa ba? Dito nagkaroon ako guys, pero pagising ko kaninang morning, dry naman na siya, ayan. Tapos dito nagkaroon din, pero parang nadadry lang din kasi siya after a day or 2, ganun. Tapos eto, medyo active pa siya, pero hindi siya yung parang ganito na may laman pa siyang ganyan. So that is my update for this skincare guys. So far so good naman. Medyo nalalighten naman niya yung pangyayari sa mukha ko. Hindi na siya gagaya dati na sobrang lalaki mga pimple ko. Though, ina-expect ko pa rin guys na magkakaroon talaga ng purging na marami. Pero, yung promise kasi ng product guys is for them to clear my skin, and of course, to clear also yung mga acne marks. So, I'm expecting na sana maging effective siya. So, yun lang yung update ko for this week guys, and abangan nyo ulit yung update ko for next week kasi every week or every 2 weeks ako mag-update para sa skincare na to guys, para makita nyo talaga yung journey ko sa pag-transition from that pimple-prone skin to clear skin, hopefully, as promised by the company. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see my transition from the super duper mas madaming pimple to this skin matte and then to the clearer skin as they claim, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button para malagi kayong ma-notify every time that I upload the video dito sa channel natin. And then if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and that's it for this update, guys. I hope to see you on my next update or on my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Listen to my